In the tent. Okay. Okay, well that's a rule when you get older, I guess. Okay, shoes off, and normally shoes are off in the tent. So kind of a camping rule, honey. Hi.
Nana.
Nine. Nine. I'm just kidding. That's for Papa. This is Beckett. That's Papa's side, and this is Mama. Yeah, Mama's on this side. You don't want Mama to be on this side? Where do you want Mama to be? Tiki. Oh. You don't need to be mean. Oh, yeah, that goes outside. Thanks. Well, that's because you got your shoes on, honey. Alright, we got bugs coming in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go into Santa Fe. Say bye-bye, Happy. We'll see you later.
Bye-bye, Happy.
Bye-bye. We'll see you later.
Bye-bye, Happy.
Bye-bye, Happy. We'll see you tonight. Okay, go out. Go see Papa. Go see Papa.
Abba, Abby. Abby.
Mama's coming out.
Abba, Abby.
Bye-bye, Happy.
Bye-bye, Abby.
Yeah. Okay, wait, Mama's got to come.
Abba, Abby.
Bye-bye, Happy.
Abba, Abby.
Yeah.
Nana, Abby. Nana. Abby, Nana. Abby. Nana. Papa, Abby. Papa.
Damn, this year. Are you kissing the tent right now? Okay.
Papa, Abby.